Hello again, everybody. This is Dave from Blox News and Xclusive Collectibles, back for another box break. Today we're going to be opening one box of 2019 Donruss Optic baseball cards, 2 autographs per box on average, and some of these could potentially be a hot box. So we're going to try our luck, see what we get, take a look at the set, and hope you enjoy. All right, here we go. There's 20 packs in each box, and we're going to check out the style and look for some inserts. Jose Ramirez, Yammer Candelario, insert, peak performance, Max Scherzer, and rated rookie, Brandon Lowe. Next up, Blake Snell, David Bodie, mythical insert with Mookie Betts and Diamond Kings, Alex Bregman, non-numbered. Move along. Herman Marquez, Trey Mancini, Albert Pujols, MVP. Yuzi Kikuchi, rated rookie. That's a good one. Next up, we've got Whit Merrifield, Cedric Mullins, autograph, rated rookie, numbered out of 75, not bad. Jose Altuve, MVP, and Ronald Acuna Jr., Diamond Kings. That's a good one too. So far, not too bad. Next up, we've got Tyler O'Neill, Michael Conforto, Joe Adell, rated rookie, and Bryce Wilson, rated rookie. Next up, got Felix Hernandez, David Peralta, nice Diamond Kings pink, numbered out of 199. Max Scherzer, highlight insert. And Mike Trout, always a fan favorite. Moving along. Got Miguel Sano, Carlos Carrasco, Luis Ortiz, foil, rated rookie, non-numbered, Trevor Story, Diamond Kings. Next up, KB, Chris Bryant, Jackie Bradley Jr., Shohei Ohtani, highlights insert. Ryan O'Hearn, rated rookie. Next up, Nomar Mazara, Carlos Carrasco, orange, numbered out of 60, not bad. Peak performance, peak performers, Fernando Tatis Jr., another good one. And Mookie Betts, Diamond King. Next up, Alex Bregman, Zach Greinke, Ohtani. Haven't seen this one. Action All-Stars insert. It's a neat looking card. Not numbered. Definitely the first one we've seen. Cal Quantrill, rated rookie. Next up, we got Yammer Candelario, Madison Bumgarner, Everson Pereira, rated rookie, and we've got Taylor Hearn. Looks to be foil for that one. Non-numbered. Next up, We've got Javier Baez, El Mago, Jacob deGrom, Griffin Canning, another foil card. Not numbered. Christian Yelich, Diamond Kings. Next up, got Joey Gallo, Chris Davis, Illusions with Paul Goldschmidt, and Eloy Jimenez, rated rookie. Next up, Anthony Rendon, Scooter Gennett, Action All-Stars, Charlie Blackmon, another insert, that's a cool card, and Kyle Wright, rated rookie. Next up, Matt Chapman, Juan Soto, that's an awesome looking card, numbered out of 76. It's a really good one. Great player. Yuzi Kikuchi, the rookies. Another good prospect. Well, rookie, rather. Trey Mancini, Diamond Kings. Eric Hosmer, Paul Goldschmidt, Corey Seager, Illusions insert. Ryan Baruchi, rated rookie. Alright. Closing on the end. Got Willie Calhoun. Zach Greinke, foil card. MVP, Mike Trout. Always a good card to get. And Sean Reed Foley, rated rookie. Third to last. We've got John Lester, Michael Kopech, rated rookie autograph, non-numbered. Jose Ramirez, Diamond Kings, and we've got Corbin Burns, rated rookie. Next up, we have second to last, Jesus Aguilar, Eugenio Suarez, the rookies, Pete Alonso, and Daniel Ponce de Leon, rated rookie, and our final pack. We've got Jack Flaherty, Walker Buehler, the rookies, Danny Jansen, and Max Munson. Alright, we got a whole bunch of inserts out of this box. Can't really say if it was a hot box or not, but we definitely got 2 autographs, Diamond Kings, a lot of other inserts. Hope you enjoyed. For more great videos, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe button for more videos. Listen and download us on SoundCloud. Visit our site at bloxnews.net and xclusivecollectibles.com for articles, news, collectibles, and help with your website, marketing, and SEO needs. Email us at info@bloxcoinnews.com to learn more.